Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your weekly, in fact, week 8 screencast video. So, this week I would like to remind everybody that the annotated bibliography, the evaluative annotated bibliography, or better known as the EAB, is due on Sunday, end of day. So, as I say here in my message, please try to get discussion board 11 out of the way earlier in the week. That way you can focus on the annotated bibliography. So it'll be initial post Tuesday, responses by Friday. The EAB will be due on Sunday. So let's take a quick look at the discussion board. It's exercise 3.2 on pages 83 and 84. Please complete steps 1 to 4, and don't forget the what did I learn paragraph mentioned at the end of the instructions on page 84. So remember, you're using a GDoc, then you're posting instructions for your initial post to be copy and paste your GDoc contents into the text box by the due date listed in the schedule. So copy and paste, upload, see if you can get your responses in, and then focus on the annotated bibliography. If you still have some work to do on discussion board number 10, I would scroll all the way on down because I've rolled discussion board number 10 down to the bottom of the page here. Just to remind everybody, in the course units in chapter 2, all right, I've got our lecture videos. Here's the citation EasyBib video here. Also the library websites and videos. Once again, here is the instructional video for the annotated bibliography. Make sure you please read the instructions carefully this week. All right, be sure you read them with purpose, and more importantly, take a look at what's in annotation along with the instructional video. These tools and reading carefully will be your friend when it comes to having your annotated bibliography completed and assessed. All right, so let's get over to the assignment uploads. Here is the assignment for the annotated bibliography. Once again, you want to make sure, let me get to the My Drive folder here. All right, hey, here we go. Here's the course folder, annotated bibliography. You want to upload your GDoc. Word doc, I don't care, just upload your document here into the course folder, and then grab the link from this course folder and upload that to the assignment here in Blackboard. All you have to do is click on the assignment, click on the right submission box, copy and paste your GDoc link from the annotated bibliography folder here, that document here, and then just click submit. All right, so you want to make sure you do that. If you're unsure or you don't have the main course folder found in your drive, and perhaps you did not participate in the syllabus and Google Drive activity, right here are the drive instructions. Here's the link to the main course folder, the video tutorial on how to use Drive for this course. So all of that information is here. Let me get to announcements. At the end of last week, along with the lecture video, I did post up the submission guidelines for coursework and essays, okay, from the syllabus. So be aware that a copy of your document goes into the assignment folder here, the annotated bibliography folder, and from there the GDoc link to your document is uploaded to the correct assignment once again. So I have instructional videos out in Blackboard, as you can see, for all aspects of the annotated bibliography, from the assignment itself to what is an annotation, to drive videos and tutorials here, along with this screencast video. All right, so if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Be prompt, better part of the week if you're confused on the annotated bibliography. You want to make sure that you email me early in the week. This week, we'll talk in the lecture video about Chapter 3, Writing in the Middle, to get you started. And also, we'll kind of give another review to some of the thoughts and ideas behind the annotated bibliography. So that being said, once again, if you have any questions or issues, email me. Good luck. Stay safe.